In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import inventory item in Zoho Books. To get started, make sure you're signed into your Zoho Books organization with permission to manage items. From your dashboard, head over to the items section. This is where all your products and services live, and it's the home base for adding and managing inventory. Opening this page ensures you're in the right place to bring in your list in one quick import, rather than creating items one at a time. Next, look for the three-dot More Actions menu near the top of the items page. This menu houses additional tools you won't see at first glance. Open it to reveal the options related to bulk actions. Choose Import Items. This launches the Import Wizard, which will guide you through uploading your file and placing each column where it belongs in Zoho Books. If you track inventory, this is the correct path for inventory items, not just services. Click. Choose File and select your prepared spreadsheet, typically a CSV or XLSX file. Before you upload, it helps to tidy your data. Use clear headers in the first row, make sure item names are present for every line, keep SKUs unique, and use plain numbers for prices, costs, and opening stock. If you use taxes, include a tax name that matches what exists in your Zoho book settings. Remove blank rows and avoid special characters that might break formatting. When your file is ready, attach it here. Click Next to proceed. Zoho Books will read your headers and take you to the field mapping screen. This is where you match each column from your file to the correct Zoho Books field, such as item name, SKU, description, unit, selling price, cost price, tax, opening stock, and opening stock value. Pay special attention to required fields like item name and any accounting fields relevant to your setup. If your file contains dates or currencies, confirm the formats shown match your data. Use default values on the page if a field is needed but not present in your file. When your mappings look correct, click Next again to review. You'll see a summary of how many records will be imported and any warnings about unmapped or incompatible data. Fix anything flagged by going back to adjust a mapping or by correcting your source file and reattaching it. Finally, click Finish to run the import. You'll see a confirmation when it's done. Return to the items list, refresh, and spot check a few entries to confirm names, SKUs, prices, stock quantities, and taxes imported exactly as expected. If something looks off, revise your file and repeat the import with corrected data. That's all it takes to import inventory items efficiently in Zoho Books.